Today we're making teriyaki salmon steaks. These are the salmon steaks, and we're going to do this in an air fryer. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of oil. We're going to use that virgin olive oil right there. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, which is right here, or you can use honey. 3 garlic cloves chopped up. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to make it thick. Lemon juice, which is we have over there. That's a 1/4 cup. A 1/4 cup of soy sauce. There's that. A tablespoon of sesame seeds. 1 teaspoon of ground mustard. 1 teaspoon of ginger, which is right there. Some garlic powder if you like garlic. And that is basically to make the sauce. So what we're going to do now is we're going to whisk all of this stuff together. And we're going to whisk that in a bowl. And then we will be back to show you the next step. Now I got all my ingredients in. And I am whisking. And you have to stir this really good because this is going to be your sauce later. And what we're going to do is we're going to marinate salmon. Salmon's got a taste that not everyone likes. So if you take your steaks, make sure you rinse them off really good. And then we're going to put them in this bag. Pour some of this in there. We're going to marinate this for about 30 minutes to an hour. Just so it can soak up this right here. I'm going to take this and put it in this bag. Set this aside. Grab my steaks. And then I'm going to pour the juice in the bag. Now, I'm not going to pour all the juice in the bag because I'm going to need this later once the fish is cooked to make another sauce for it to be on top. So I'm going to pour about half of it. Just about half. And then what you want to do is seal this up. And like I said, marinate it. So take it, move it around. I always still keep it over a dish because you never know if one of these bags have a hole in it. I'll put the remaining of this sauce in a little pot. And what I'm going to do with this is once it's done marinating, I'm going to put it on the stove and let this get thicker so I can pour it over as a sauce. 50, because I don't like to turn it up too much. So I'm going to open this up. I'm going to put my salmon in. There we go. Okay, I preheated the air fryer to 350. That's the noise that you hear in the background. While that's preheating, I sprayed my pan down with spray. And this is how it looks. And my air fryer is supposed to be large, but these are steaks. So this is going to take a little longer. I am going to cook it skin side down first for 15 minutes. And then I'm going to flip it and cook it again before I make the sauce. Okay, so there we go. Okay, stir the sauce constantly until it gets thick on medium heat, and then once it gets thick, consistency, pour it over the salmon. Yummy, yummy for my tummy.